In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your side mirror on your Chevy Colorado. It's located on the door. Use a trim tool to remove the panel. I looked at my panel and I noticed that there should be a plastic grommet right here. It must have not been replaced when it got broken at one point, so we're going to replace that when we reinstall it. Now we're going to unplug our mirror. You're going to push in on this and separate the connector. And now I'm going to use a 10mm socket to remove these 3 bolts. I'm going to take out the bottom 2, and then I'm going to keep a hand on the mirror as I take out this top one. Now that I have a hand on the mirror, I'm going to take out the top bolt. Make sure that you push your connector in so that you can take your mirror off. Now we're going to install. We've started 1 bolt, and now we're going to start our other 2. We'll snug them up and let go of your mirror. I would ease it in gently. Because there is a gasket in there, you got to kind of squish down. And then you can snug them up. Let's plug this in. Line it up. Push it in. Make sure you hear that click. I replaced the fastener that's missing. I'm going to line that up with the hole first. And now I'm going to push the panel into the space and slide it underneath the door panel.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.